Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Luna have actually lost about $5.7 million market cap in the past 15 hours. As of yesterday, Terra Classic was able to lose about $4 million, and today we are talking about $5.7 million. These have continued for the past 9 days now. Terra Classic have been dropping almost every day. Now, in the past 5 weeks, Terra Classic have actually lost over $200 million. What does this mean? It simply means that Terra Classic will continue to drop, like I said some few weeks ago. Now, Terra Classic LUNC, if this continue, it might be we might be seeing Terra Classic losing more $100 million market cap in the coming week, and for me it is not good. It's not right for Terra Classic, because if this continue, it will definitely affect Terra Classic LUNC. Now, losing $5.7 million in just 15 hours, that is a lot of money that have been lost, and we are recording over $200 million. Today, cryptocurrency market has been dropping. So many coins are on red today. Bitcoin, also BNB, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, most coins are on red, including Terra Classic LUNC. But for me, I think we need something need to help push Terra Classic coin, but nothing is coming up. The only thing that does happen recently was the burning of Terra Classic by Binance, and yet even with the recent burning, it did not help Terra Classic to recover. It did not show any sign. Okay, so it looked as if nothing happened, and if we search results even after the burning, it simply means Terra Classic might be facing more drops in the coming week. Terra Classic might be facing more drop in price, drop in market cap, and I fear that LUNC might even lose more than $100 million market cap, and the price will furthermore drop this coming week. Let's hope that crypto Bitcoin revive this week. Let's hope it start pumping. Let's hope Ethereum start pumping, because definitely with their pumps, it will affect Terra Classic positively. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.